How to make sticker in Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to make Instagram sticker, what you can simply do is tap on the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the DM section at the top right corner of the screen and select any of the profiles over here. Now what you need to do is simply tap on your message inbox over here and you can see the sticker icon. So select on the sticker icon. And here you can see the sticker icon again at the bottom of the screen. So tap on it and here you can see the option of cutout. Select on cutouts and simply select any of the picture. I'm going to select on this one over here and we'll start creating a sticker. So as you do that, it will automatically create a sticker for ourselves, and you can simply select on save sticker, and if you want to select manually you can tap on select manually as well. For now I'm going to tap on save sticker, and as I tap on save sticker it will start the process over here. So the sticker has been saved and there you go. You can just send this sticker over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.